and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. All eyes set on Supreme Court's hearing in mining on 2nd November. CEC leaves for Delhi. Committee may place primary report on Goa's mining. Two die and 12 seriously injured in two different accidents on NH4A. Head-on collision between a tanker and a bus at Priol. Lorry crashes down at Anmodghat. BJP hits back at Congress leaders on toppling claims. Says 6 Congress MLAs want to join the BJP, but party not interested in their induction. Chandrakant Chede retires but not hurt after 32 years of dedicated service to cricket. SSG hails the master coach with an eye to recognize natural talent. And Premier League prospect Brandon Fernandes is an inspiration for Salgaonkar boys, says juniors coach Agustin Antão. Now the news in detail. All eyes are now set on the Supreme Court. 3-member CEC, led by Jaikrishnan, has left for Delhi after completing its probe in Goa. Supreme Court appointed CEC held a series of meetings with Mines Department officials, mine owners, ore exporters, truck owners and barge owners in Panji on Wednesday. Committee is planning to place primary report on Goa's mining by 2nd November before the Supreme Court.
Central Empowered Committee of Supreme Court held hearing with the officials of Mines Department, mine owners, ore exporters, truck owners and barge owners on Wednesday at Factories and Boilers Inspectorate headquarters in Panjim. The committee heard their grievances. President of Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association Shivanand Salgaonkar met CEC. He has put forward mine exporters and mine owners' side. CEC questioned mine owners on some issues.
आमकां पयर मेळ्ळें न्ही म्हणून आयज परत मेळपाक जाय आसलें. They have submitted whatever queries they had, we have answered them.
ओके. तुमचे प्रॉब्लेम्स कितें आहा तुमचे? ओके. कितें सांगलां?
तांच्यान ते रिपोर्ट बरयता म्हणून सांगलां. ते केन्ना सांगता म्हणून सांगना आमकां. रिपोर्ट सबमीट करतले.
Demanding resuming of legal mines in the state, government's alliance partner MGP met CEC. CEC Chairman P.V. Jaikrishnan, Mahendra Vyas, Siddharth Chaudhary inspected mines from North and South Goa for the past 2 days. CEC is planning to place a primary report before the Supreme Court for hearing scheduled on 2nd November. Committee left to Delhi on Wednesday evening. All eyes are now set on the Supreme Court and its interim order in the Goa Foundation matter. Reporter Mahesh Gadi and video journalist Sushant Pad for Prudent.
2 died on the spot and 12 seriously injured in 2 different accidents on NH4A on Wednesday. A head-on collision between a diesel tanker and a bus at Priol left tanker driver and 11 other passengers seriously injured and 21 with minor injuries. Injured passengers were shifted to the GMC. Meanwhile, in an accident at Anmodghat, cement lorry crashed down. Driver died on the spot. 1 is seriously injured.
बाकीचे आणि एक टँकर ड्रायव्हर 5 जण सिरियस इंजुअर्ड. बशीतले 4 जण आणि एक टँकर ड्रायव्हर इन्क्लुडिंग ड्रायव्हर. हय फाटोफाट भुरग्यांनी खूब हेल्प केली सगळ्यांनी म्हजे सोडून सगळे हांकां थोड्यांक गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजींत धाडले, थोड्यांक ID हॉस्पिटलांत धाडले. ID हॉस्पिटलांत जे कोणाक शक्य ना तांकां परत गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजींत व्हरता. हय सगळी यंत्रणा 5 मिनटांत सगळी यंत्रणा पावली. पूण हांगा जो लोक भुरगे आसा ताणी भरपूर हेल्प केलो. गांवचे लोक आसा, मागीर ह्या भागांतले लोक आसा, येता वता तो मनीस रावलो, बशींतले लोक देंवले, गाडयांतले लोक देवन सगळे हेल्प केलो. टँकर लीक जाता तो बंद करपाक जाय पयलीं. टँकर डिझलचो आसा तो फास्ट आशिल्लो इतलेंच कळ्ळां.
जेन्ना ती येताली न्ही तेन्ना ती गाडी फास्ट येयली काय कितें म्हाका खबर ना, आनी ती टँकरां मारली आनी तो असो येवपा येतालो न्हू फावटे, मागीर ते तो टँकर येतालो सो तेणें टँकराचे मारली ती अशी अशी थोडे उबे आशिल्ले आनी चडसो लोक बसले आशिल्लो. उबे आशिल्ले तांकां खूब मार लागलो असो.
Our reporter Vivek Prabhu and Mayur Naik for Prudent.
BJP has hit back at the Congress leaders. BJP spokesperson Wilfred Mesquita claimed that 6 Congress MLAs want to join the BJP at any moment. However, he has clarified that the BJP will not allow any Congress MLA to join the party. He was speaking on the backdrop of statements made by the Congress Goa desk in charge Sudhakar Reddy and Subhash Shirorkar that Congress is not in a mood to form the government even if Parrikar government is toppled by its own deeds.
Mr. Sudhakar Reddy spoke to the press and it appeared to be a very valiant effort to cover the flop side of the so-called Congress convention, which in my opinion it was just a get-together, because as complained by the congressmen themselves, none of the workers were allowed to speak. But anyway, that's not our problem. This is their complaint. To my mind, it was a colorless exercise to divert the attention of the people of Goa towards the boycott of this meeting of Congress by 6 of their MLAs. I wonder if Mr. Sudhakar Reddy is aware that these 6 MLAs are continuously begging. And when I say begging, I don't mean money, because they have made enough in the last 5 years. Either they are begging for favors or they are begging for forgiveness, and some of them even for entry in BJP party. Is there any chance of you taking? No chance. I told you, no, it's easy to enter the heaven, but to enter the needle of the eye of the needle, but not to enter BJP.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab with video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.